Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and welcome back to this next video. And this is another video in the series of videos on the PubMed. In my previous videos, I've told you how you can search a specific protein or gene in the PubMed, and then I've told you how you can save your desired research papers or references in your bibliography. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to tell you that if you type something, the name of a protein, and you are getting a lot of queries, how you can restrict the number of the queries or how you can reduce the number of the queries. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the website of the PubMed. I already have that, so I'm just going to paste that in my Google Chrome, and when I enter the click, I'm going to get the main page. I'll continue with the same name of the protein that we are focusing on. I'll go with the MAC-A. So when you press the search button, as you can see over here, you are getting 8,129 results now. Now that is a very huge number of the research articles or the abstract that you are getting. So if you want to restrict the number of the research paper, what you can do is you can use this option which are given over here. For example, if you are interested in only those papers whose full free text they are available, so you are going to click that. Now focus on this particular number. Now initially this is 8,129. So when I click this free full text, as you can see over here, the number of the research articles that is going to decrease to like 4,212. That's almost half of that. Now what you mean by this is that these 4,212, they are all those particular research paper whose free full length text article is available at the PubMed Central. Secondly, if you are interested, and you can click also this abstract button, what that means is that now all those papers whose abstract and full text they are available, you are going to get another results. So this is how you can like narrow down the number of the research paper you are interested in. The most important thing over here is that if you look at this one, you can actually customize the range of the papers. So if you are interested in like the publication date is like 1 years or the 5 years or the 10 years, or you can give the custom range. For example, let me say that we are only interested in the research article published in 2019 in the month of June, for example. I would say the 1st June up to the September 2022. So let me put them. So this is going to give me the papers which are only published in this particular range. So when you apply this, as you can see over here, the number they have already been more reduced, like to 1,346 results. So this is how you can actually reduce the number of your desired research paper for a particular protein or for a particular gene. And you can see over here we have applied different filters, and you can see them. You have applied the abstract filter, the free full text filter, and you have given that custom range which is going to give you only the paper published in this particular custom range. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it with your friends, and we will start working with the PubMed in the next video, and we will going to focus on the other important components or the other important options that are available in the PubMed.